back, man. I found my 10. See how fried it is, huh? Oh, my Lord. That's the housing. That's the housing. So I'm looking at it, and I'm expecting. I see little metal shavings in the mother. So you can kind of see. So it don't look bad. Like I'm saying, it don't look bad, y'all. It do got some metal shavings. I will be painting this housing. And I'm gonna sit there right there, man. Sit there right there. So let's look at our inducer wheel. It don't look bad. Like I said, it's gonna take some cleaning up. So I'm back, y'all. We're gonna remove the housing off of the X-Ducer. Y'all know the name better than me. Yeah, man. Kind of keep a hold of those bolts. Before I turn it around. That's the combo I'm using right there. Let me let it focus. 1/2 inch. Don't mind the noise, y'all. My bad.